Hello, rabbit lovers in America and I guess everywhere else that watches YouTube. But today I'm going to teach you about how to breed Netherland dwarves. You might hear glee in the background. Sorry for that, but nothing I can do. This is my buck. Pretty little boy. He's actually a little big. Here's my doe. Pretty little girl, isn't she? A little nervous today. My buck does not like to breed outside the cage, so I've decided to do this on a computer chair. Okay. Oh, I need to get out of the picture, sweetie. That's my dog, Einstein. See? Oh, here we go.
Hey, you guys remember Sunshine Croissant?
You are a terrible spy.
Seriously, it's a good sign.
Get off. Get off. And there we go. He fell off. Sorry you guys missed that, but that's basically what rabbit breeding is. Thanks for the video. Thanks for watching my video. Please leave any comments or questions at the bottom. Thank you very much.